Remember to trim or cut on the inside of the lines now that we're actually cutting it out on the fur. And then we're going to trim the seam allowance on the gusset. I'm going to set this fur aside. This is the neck area where it's going to meet here. So we're going to trim about 1/4 of an inch at the neck area, and then that very small amount all the way around the rest of the gusset. And now we do that little bit. It's probably about 1/16 of an inch. All right, and now I'm going to clean off all that fur. And then what I am going to do, this is the nose. I am going to trim this area just a little. I think I'm going to use my curved embroidery scissors to have a little more control. And I just want to, I'll trim more on this after the head is stuffed, but I just want to trim a little bit more now because it'll help me when I'm stitching it together. Okay. You can see there, I just have a little bit, let me do a little bit more. I didn't cut it real short. I just took some of the length off. Just a little. I'm going to do more, of course, after the head is stuffed and we're working on the head. But for now, I'm going to set the head gusset aside. Now that we have the head cut out and clipped together, we're going to continue to cut out the other pieces of the bear from the fur coat.